I am Iason from the Foundation of Research and Technology Hellas, and our research is on 3D scene understanding, capitalizing 3D object tracking.
I'm Daniel from Technische Universität München, and I'm working on probabilistic knowledge processing for cognitive robots. In the RoboHow project, we want to make knowledge sources such as the World Wide Web available to our robots. On the web you can find recipes and step-by-step instructions for cooking meals and performing everyday activity. However, these instructions are written by humans, so they lack a lot of information which is self-evident to humans but necessary for successfully performing a task. So in RoboHow we're building action-specific knowledge bases that align natural language instructions with data from human observations or instructional videos that a robot can autonomously infer the missing information it needs to successfully accomplish a task.
We have recorded some video sequences of kitchen scenarios, specifically flipping pancakes, and we are trying to track the objects that appear in the scene.
Hello, I'm Lucia, I'm from EPFL, and I'm working mainly on imitation learning.
Hello, I am Georgi, I'm from University of Bremen.
We are working on teaching a robot a simple task, such as flipping a pancake, and then trying to show this task in the context of a more complex situation. We do this in a kinesthetic manner, so this means that actually a human person can take the robot arm and guide it throughout the task and show him how to perform the motion.
From the task execution point of view, this means that if the robot must execute or do a pancake and it does know how to flip the pancake, it can ask human help.
I'm Tine de Laat from the Catholic University of Leuven, and I'm working on control and task specification for robots.
I'm Jörg Bartels from the Universität Bremen, working on integrating the plan-based control system with the low-level controllers. In the system, they are represented in terms of constraints of parts of objects towards parts of the robot.
Hi, I'm Nick from KU Leuven, and I'm working on the iTask, task specification and control framework.
I am François, I'm from the University of Montpellier. I'm working on the control of humanoid robots.
Yeah, and yet you have all these tasks that you want to in different spaces. You say in task spaces, you say different tasks, and then you calculate it back to joints. In traditional robotics, you calculate, you just specify joints straight away.
The stack of tasks is also a framework that works in the same way, meaning that we are going to specify tasks to achieve. So, for example, it can be, as you say, the position, to direct the position of the hand, or to say that we want, for example, for a humanoid to keep his stability. And what is realized that all those tasks are ordered by priority. For example, when you want to grab an object, we want first that the robot doesn't lose its stability, and then after that you can consider moving your hands.
My name is Francisco, I'm a PhD student from KTH, Stockholm, Sweden. My work focuses on tool calibration.
My name is Alexis, I'm a PhD student at the University of Bremen. My work is related to robotic grasping.
So we're working together on getting a door opening controller.
An interesting problem because the PR tool is quite different to the robot that they have. Yeah. And by our lack of a force torque sensor on the wrist, then we looked at ways to estimate using the controllers to have a decent estimation of the force.
So I like the RoboHow idea because it integrates a lot of research area in robotics, like control, planning and learning.
It puts the idea that common sense knowledge is important for robot behavior in the center of the project, and I think that has been missing in a lot of other robotics projects in the past.